would like to show you how to create the magic ring so you can successfully do it on your own. I'm going to show you two different methods. Method number one, take the yarn and just loosely wrap it around your fingers. Cross it over the back side and secure it by holding it between your ring finger and your pinky finger. Take the hook and slide it up underneath the first strand, grab the second strand, pull it through and twist, and then reach around and grab the yarn that you were holding between your ring finger and your pinky finger, and then just simply pull it through, and you have successfully created a magic ring. Now let's look at method number two. Just take the yarn and create a simple loop, and then wrap the yarn around. Just hold it between your fingers, then insert your hook or your finger in the front part of that loop, and then reach in and grab that yarn. As you pull it through, you want to grab and hold on to your magic ring. Then ever so gently grab the working yarn with your hook and pull it through, and you have secured it on, and there is your magic ring. Now let's look at the purpose of the magic ring. The magic ring is to close the center of your work when you're working in rounds tightly so there's no hole in the middle. So let's do a couple stitches real quick just to show you what I'm referring to. And we're just going to work some half double crochets right into the center of this ring. You can work any stitch into the magic ring. There is no specific stitches. Any stitch will work in the magic ring. Now it is important that you are working your stitches over not only the magic ring, but the tail as well. And we'll just work a couple more half double crochets. And let's just work one more. And let me show you how this works. So here are your stitches, whichever stitches you decide to do. You're going to grab that tail and you're going to pull it as tight as you can. And then let's pull our working yarn down. And you can see there's still a little bit of a hole. So I'm going to actually pull that out a little bit. And then let's grab our tail here and let's just continue to pull it as tight as we can. And there, it completely closes your hole up. And then you can pull your working yarn tight and go right into that first stitch and slip stitch it to join. And there is your work. Nice and tight, secure, no hole in the center. I hope you have found this video to be very helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please be sure and hit the subscribe button before you leave and ring the bell so you receive all future notifications and don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and make your own joyful creations.